Comets, asteroids, and meteors piques your curiosity just as much as mine. Have you ever wondered how they differ? What's their purpose? Or why and how do they even exist? You know what? I ask myself the same questions too. So why don't we dive deep into learning these celestial bodies and quench both our thirst for knowledge? Hi, this is Group 5. Join us as we enlighten you in the field of the amazing space rocks. So, you may wonder, what exactly is a comet? Some believe myths about comets being a symbol or a harbinger of bad luck, but scientifically, it's a giant luminous snowball as it is literally made out of ice and only appears as a rock because of rock dust enveloping its real appearance.
Despite all of this, the comet never carried or produced any energy as well as light, making it impossible to be seen by the human eye at a distance. However, as it gets closer to the sun, it slowly acquires light, therefore making itself visible. It was all thanks to the heat of the sun burning through the mass of ice, slowly evaporating into gas.
Asteroids and comets has somewhat of a relevance origin-wise, since they are both remnants of the planetesimal swarms from which the planets ultimately formed, as they retain records of processes that operated prior to or during planet formation.
Comets also play a big part in developing the Earth. As we know it, since they are known to be sources of water from space. When they hit the massive sphere of molten rock, which is Earth, they allowed the surface to cool down and evaporate slowly, building up an atmosphere.
Now moving on, what is an asteroid? Asteroids are rocky bodies or objects that orbits the sun the same way other planets orbit. They are the leftovers during the formation of universe. We cannot see them in the sky because they reflect little light and always on the move. Asteroids don't have their own atmosphere. Asteroids vary in size and shape. Some are 100 miles in diameter and some as small as a pebble. They are smaller than planets, that is why they are often called planetoids or minor planets. The largest asteroid recorded is Ceres with 974 kilometers in diameter. Ceres is also classified as a dwarf planet. The smallest asteroid is 6 foot wide.
Most of the asteroids that orbit the Sun is found in a region called the asteroid belt. It is located between Mars and Jupiter asteroids' orbit, a slightly elliptical path as they orbit the Sun. It is possible for an asteroid to be pulled out of its orbit. Planets may capture an asteroid out of its orbit due to the pull of gravity. Asteroids can become a moon or satellite of a planet. Many scientists believe that Mars moons Phobos and Deimos are captured asteroids.
What is a meteor? Have you heard your Lola or aunt saying, "Make a wish when you see a falling star at night"? Do you believe that your wishes can come true? What is a falling star? A meteoroid is a stony or metallic object found in space. They travel around the sun in different direction, orbits, and speed. When a meteoroid enters the Earth's atmosphere, friction between this object and atmospheric gases heats it to the point that it glows and becomes visible to our eyes for a few seconds. The strike of light in the sky is known as meteors, commonly known as falling star or shooting star?
If a meteor does not burn up completely, the remaining portion falls to Earth. Most of them are small and pose no threat. Also, most space debris fall over ocean or sparsely populated areas like Antarctica. A meteor that hits the Earth's surface is called meteorite. But what about meteor shower? Let's talk about meteor shower. A meteor shower is a phenomenon in which many meteors fall through the atmosphere in a relatively short time in approximately parallel trajectories. It happens when the Earth passes through a comet's orbit and leftover comet debris bombard Earth. A very intense meteor shower is called meteor storm.
Now, I hope you all learned something from this video. We may have not answered all the questions, but we sure did supply all the information we could. So, until next time, see ya.